Good morning, everybody. Welcome to pre-market update. Happy Tuesday. You can see Russell 2000 nice bounce pre-market yesterday and pumped almost 1.6%. You can see Dow Jones also again touched the buy zone and bounced from the buy zone. You can see nice trade 0.58%. Let's look at S&P 500 came very close to the buy zone but did not touch it. So it's still stronger and 0.68%, and Nasdaq was also very similar, came very close to the buy zone and then bounced. Now it's in the middle in the chopping ground. We're going to know more about these. Let's review it. We will start with S&P 500 cycle analysis, and please hit the like button, guys, if you like the content, and share with your friends and family. And we'll review all the other indices and crypto as well. So you can see S&P 500 right now in this rising phase. Okay, so this rising phase is going till 18th of June. So where we are right now, let's say another couple of days this week. So I don't think it's gonna fall. So I have this green box as a resistance, looking for like a little bit of choppiness to a higher price, and then we're gonna have a period of risk, which I'm expecting from mid of June to end of June, okay, or early July. We're expecting this dump or weakness coming soon. So until then, chop around here and still higher. So I don't think it's going to go lower. Or I think there's a CPI data coming. I think it's Tuesday, CPI news, and maybe Feds are also talking. So that could be catalyst of this top. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But right now, looking for holding this bull trend and S&P 500 prices. All right. So let's go and review side by side comparison. MES chart on the right side. We'll review, we will keep S&P 500 MES chart on the left side for day trading. Those who are new, this is only for day trading, buy and sell. And if you want to know more about this indicator, I share screenshot of these levels every hour I share it with my members. Click on the join button in the description of this video, and let me know your user ID on YouTube, on a Discord channel group, and I'll add you to members only access. I also share my trades, what I'm taking with my members as I'm taking, so you can take advantage of that as well. All right, so MES chart on a daily chart flagging, okay, just flagging down pre-market slightly 0.32%, and also coming closer to the buy zone, still in the neutral zone. You can take a screenshot of these levels whenever you want. And SPY, uh, again, this gap is not filled, 528. So let's see if for some reason, if we come to fill that gap, that will be a good entry for you to go long. All right. Let's look at NASDAQ, MNQ. MNQ, same thing in the neutral zone right now, flagging above a new all-time high. And let's look at triple Qs, which is the cash index. Again, this gap around 454. Let's see if for some reason, if we come all the way down, that could be a good target to take long positions. All right. And let's look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones is the little bit weaker right now, coming closer to buy zone right now. Still, it was capitulating. 9 counts buy signal, 789 here on a daily chart. Now going higher, trying to make a lower high before making a higher high. So you can see right now trying to reverse this trend. So it put in a low, now trying to make a, if it breaks above 39,115, that's going to be good. On a DIA ETF, no gaps here, all right? So it filled all the gaps it had to, and now it's trying to go higher. And Russell could be the next best trade right now. You can see right now where it is. It's in the buy zone, all right? Looking for a little more lower prices around 2014. That's going to be a good entry, and that's what I will be looking for. And if I go to IWM ETF, you can see this gap here yesterday was filled. So this gap was exactly filled and it bounced. And it gave all the bounce back this morning and opening on a really big gap, looks like. Eventually that gap should fill. I don't know when, but I think I think Russell is telling me this could be shaping up for a nice trade. I might be loading Russell this pre-market or as soon as market opens. We'll see. AMD. Why AMD is here? Because I'm taking a trade in AMD because it touched the buy zone end of day and it's bouncing slightly pre-market. I'm already in profit. Um, I'm already around 0.5% up, but let's see how much it can go. My target is this gap fill here, okay, around 167 because it opened on a gap down. There was a degrade, a downgrade from one of the banks. looking for this 4% pump. I'm willing to hold. There's a risk it could go 4% down to fill this gap at 154, or it can go pump higher to fill this gap at 167. Right in the middle, you can decide where it's gonna go. Tesla, you can see here, Tesla is also um, very weak, came very close to the buy zone. Right now, also in the middle, below white line. So let's see if it can buy here or not. On this red line on the support zone here, it really needs to bounce here, guys. Okay, so it's just chopping around. If it closes for some reason below 168, then it's going to be change in trend. So we're going to be very careful to make sure it holds above this red line. All right, so let's keep moving. Crude oil was very bullish yesterday. Nice pump here. Now in the sell zone, so not looking to do anything here. CNQ, I have it here. I kept it. I told you it was in the buy zone day before yesterday on Friday, and it bounced 0.8%. Still in the buy zone. Let's see if it bounces or if it's gonna go lower. The reason I have CNQ here is I'm looking to take a trade. I just want to wait for the right time on CNQ. I think I'm looking for it to go somewhere here around. Oh, looks like there was a split. Okay, so looking for around 35, $34 here to buy somewhere around here. All right. Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin is in the buy zone and a dump happened. And if you watched my video, guys, yesterday, you can go and check my video, still posted. What did I tell you? I told everybody that green line is below red line. That's not a good sign. I want to see green line above red line. And look what happened. A dump happened. Okay. Now this really needs to hold above uh, this low here around just right where it is right now. Okay, 66k. So if it breaks below that, then it's going to be a downtrend. This is already a lower high. If it breaks below this 66k, it's going to be a lower low. And next support is going to be, you can see here we have 9 counts buy signal here on 2nd of May, and we got 9 counts sell signal on 22nd of May. Okay, so you can see how this indicator work. So now we're getting this dump. Next support is still near support. I won't say too much to worry about. Also, this rising 200 EM and SMA is coming around 56, 57. So somewhere here, if I want to draw a box, is a nice support. So I think it's going to be good, nice buying the dip opportunity. This whole area here, you can see nice support here. So around somewhere around 62, 63k is where you should be looking to buy Bitcoin. All right. Ethereum, same thing, will do exactly what Bitcoin is going to do. So breaking down, coming to some nice support area, holding right now above this 50 SMA yellow line, and Bitcoin is also there. Only you can see holding above this yellow line right now. So right now near some support and on a day trading chart in the buy zone. So you don't want to be shorting Bitcoin here. Ethereum is also in the buy zone. You can see on the day trading chart. Let's move on to FANG stocks. Apple was down yesterday after the event, engulfing candle. Next support is, I think if I can get 187, I'll be looking to buy there. This is a gap here. That's where the nice support is. So I'm just gonna wait and see if I can um, get a dump there. Amazon is in the sell zone. By the way, Apple is near buy zone. Buy below 191 if you want to be taking the risk. Netflix is near neutral zone. Google is near neutral zone. Meta, Facebook is near sell zone, trying to make a new high. Nice pump yesterday. Microsoft is again near sell zone. Snowflakes was really weak yesterday. Again, it's near all-time lows, so you want to be buying here, not shorting here, right? This is a good opportunity to load in. NVDA, I don't know what happened here. Looks like I don't know what happened. Looks like a bad data here. But in the neutral zone right now, AVGO is in the sell zone. Hang Seng Index, China, bouncing from the buy zone. And yeah, still above buy zone. Let's see. And what else is here? Gold miners bounced yesterday after touching the buy zone on Friday. I think KRE is in the buy zone. This is regional bank ETF. You can see it's still in the buy zone. Let's look at commodities. Gold in a sell zone, trying to broke down, maybe trying to back test before it breaks down again. Chart looks weak, broken. Silver should be going down as well. This is a selling candle, back test and going lower, looks like in the neutral zone short term. Natural gas just keeps going higher and higher, new highs. Next target is here around 3.52. Let's see if when and how it's going to reach there. Copper bouncing from the buy zone. Palladium nearby zone. Soybeans. Soybeans is near neutral zone. Sugar is also near neutral zone. Wheat is bouncing from the buy zone, getting a 9 counts buy signal right now. So this is good news for the bulls. Corn is near neutral zone, and dollar DXY is also bouncing from the buy zone, going towards resistance. Still can go higher, and then it's going to dump, and that's going to be nice for Bitcoin and stock market. Shopify had a nice bounce yesterday. So if you're a bull, but getting an 8 count sell signal here right now. It looks like it wants nice recovery here. Now wants to fill this gap, earnings gap. Let's see when and how it's going to do that. And what else is there? Is there anything else pre-markets? I'm just quickly going to scan. I don't see anything interesting here. So no news, no dump or pumps happening other than Bitcoin. Let's see MicroStrategy. How's that doing? Down 3.56% after this dump on Bitcoin. This is one of the greatest miners. So if you want to buy a miner, I recommend MicroStrategy. Nothing else. Okay, let's quickly look at VIX before we wrap up. And you can see VIX is bouncing every time it comes to this demand zone below 13. It bounces, trying to bounce. So I think that's about it, guys. If you like the content, hit the like button on your way out, and I will see you tomorrow. And if you have any stocks you want me to review, leave a comment. Bye.